Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can add a goal to different board in Timestripe. So first you have to choose your goal, for example this in years. Click on it and here in bottom right corner you have three dots button. Click on it. And here you have add to board. Click this. And I only have one board, so click this board. And here you have test. Click this and now in this new board you have this goal. So that's all. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.